Muck, scum, slime, and debris accumulate all year long, tarnishing your beautiful pond. Keeping your water garden clean, clear, and balanced no longer needs to be a struggle. Stop the guesswork and get fast, reliable results with the DefensePAC Pond Maintenance Program. The DefensePAC includes 5 staple treatments for maintaining pond water quality naturally. Here's how they work. Oxy-Lift Defense Pond Cleaner quickly removes buildup on rocks, liners, and features. Apply the granules, wait 10 minutes, and rinse away grime and stains with ease. Clarity Defense Water Clarifier binds free-floating phosphates, quickly clearing up the water column. Essential trace minerals stimulate beneficial bacteria and promote fish wellness. Nature's Defense and Muck Defense beneficial bacteria work together to digest muck and suspended debris when water temperatures are above 50 degrees. Seasonal Defense beneficial bacteria for cool weather is effective when it's too cold for other bacteria products. Use it in the spring and fall to keep your water crystal clear. A clear and balanced pond really is that easy with the DefensePAC. Order today and you may be eligible to receive a free bonus product. For more natural treatment tips, give us a call at 866-POND-HELP or visit us online at thepondguide.com.